Hello everybody, this is Mr. Jason and welcome to Fun Fridays Draw with Mr. Jason. Me! Today we're going to draw a U.S. military veteran. On Wednesday we were off, and we were off in honor of those people that joined the military, the Army, the Navy, the Air Force, the Marines, the Coast Guard, and brand new this year, the Space Force. These people can go all over the world and sometimes in very dangerous places to protect you, me, all the students and teachers and everybody around the country. So we want to just draw a nice picture, and some of us might even send these to some people overseas. So I hope you enjoy this drawing. As always, you'll need a pencil, an eraser, a piece of paper. This time we're going to draw in portrait. It's going to be much taller than it is wide, so portrait. And at the end, if you want to color it, you'll need something to do that with. Markers, crayons, pencils, anything that you have. Okay. First thing we're going to do at the top of our picture is we're going to write the word, two words. First word is thank. I'm going to give you a moment to guess what the second word is. You're right. The second word is you. And because this is a big, full-throated, and energetic thank you, we're going to use an exclamation point, or two, or three. Thank you for all that the veterans do. Okay. Now we're going to start below these words, and we're going to start with the arm. We're going to start with a diagonal line. And we're going to come down around that end to make the elbow, and come back with a diagonal line going the opposite direction. That one went up, this one came down. Going up to the higher end where this one stops, we're going to draw a shorter diagonal line. Come back this way. And we're going to draw a line straight up and down. That's kind of a wrinkle in the cloth at the elbow. And then where those two lines meet, we're going to come back and finish that arm. Up here at this cuff where the jacket ends, we're going to draw a slightly curved line. A very short line. And then a slightly wiggly line. And over here on the end I made it just a little bit longer and connected to that. I'll show you what I did again. I had a slightly wiggly line, and then I came back and connected. And this part here where we had that little wiggle, we're going to draw a curved line and a little circle. And up in here, a line that shows a finger. We're going to stop. We're going to come to this line. I want these two to line up, so I need to make this line a little bit longer. That's just my mistake. Now we're going to come straight down and stop. We're going to go horizontal, side to side, but I'm going to do it slightly curved. And you see where the arm meets the body, right here, that kind of corner. Come over a little bit, imagining, and come straight down and match those two up. So we have two straight lines, and they're about the same length. We're going to look at this shoulder, come over here, and we're going to draw a slightly diagonal line. And then we're going to come down a little bit past where that jacket ends. Slightly curved line, and then connect these. Draw a thumb. It's just a straight line down and a little curve at the bottom. We're going to do that again. Straight line, slightly curved at the bottom. Go up a little bit. Connect to the cuff. And just draw 1, 2, 3 lines for fingers. Now up on this shoulder, we're going to draw a patch that shows rank. We're going to do the letter V, and then below it another V, and then just connect. And inside this we're just going to write another V. The rank is going to be on both arms. So over on this arm we're going to draw diagonal line, connect them, and then put a line in the middle so that the rank is the same on both sides. At the top we're going to draw a rectangle here, draw a rectangle here, and draw a circle on their collar. Between these two, just draw a line straight down. On this side of the jacket, letter U, the letter V, and connect for a pocket. Over here, this is where we're going to draw some legs. First, we're going to start with a slightly diagonal line, and connect it on both sides. The V, we're going to do that on both sides. Slightly diagonal line, connect on both sides. The V in the middle. From the middle of that rectangle shape, go up to the shirt. Now from this pocket down, we're going to draw slightly wiggly on both sides. Not too much, but just a little bit to show that the pants are a little baggy. Curve line. And we're going to come up. Slightly wiggly. And then slightly diagonal line to finish the pants. For the boots, straight down. And then finish with a boot shape on both sides. And because these are literally combat boots on the very bottom, just draw a wavy line that looks like some tread. For the laces, we're just going to do diagonal lines and then horizontal lines going up to the top. Diagonal, straight, horizontal line going to the top. Line up the middle. So we have this hand doing a salute. Behind the hand is going to be a hat. So we're going to draw the brim, the bill of the hat, as a straight line, and then another straight line over it. The top of the hat will be a diagonal line here, and then connect it. Then letter M, and the line in the middle. Connect those. That's what it is, just made that drew a line there to close that little gap. 2 lines for the neck. And then over here, we're going to draw the head. We're going to start with a curved line for an ear, curved line for an ear, and then we're going to draw the jaw line, which is just a shape like that. Draw a smile. Underneath the smile, a little curve, just so it shows that there's a lip there. We're going to draw a nose. And 2 eyes. We're just going to do dots for eyes right now. Behind our soldier, we're going to draw a line. And then directly behind our soldier, we're going to draw a wavy line. And then another one over here. And on the ends of these wavy lines, connect them with a straight line up and down. About halfway down this line, we're going to draw a line like that, come through that part of the arm, and just go straight up. And then, see this wavy line we made here? You're going to go up just a touch and do it again. All the way across. Do it again. All the way across. Go up. Do it again. Go all the way across. Go up. Copy the line of your wavy line. Go all the way across. Do it again. All the way across. And we're going to keep doing that until we get to the top of the flag. Right here, we're going to draw our soldier's hair. Diagonal line, up, diagonal line, up. If you want your soldier to be male, a boy, we would leave it there. If you want your soldier to be a female, you might add a little bit of hair down here. As a soldier, your hair has to be short, so that would be if you want it to be a woman. And if you don't want it, if you want it to be a man, just leave those curved lines off. That's up to you. That's your choice. In this area over here, that's the blue part of our American flag. In that field, it's usually stars. I know stars are a little bit difficult to draw. So what I would recommend is, in here, we're going to draw circles. So draw a circle, lower space a circle. You're going to go all the way across. And then underneath of it, underneath that row of circles, draw another one. And that is our military veteran. Actually, hold on. One last thing you can do is if you wanted to make it look like they're wearing army fatigues, you can draw squiggly lines all throughout the clothes. There's no right or wrong way to do it. They're just wiggly lines. It makes it look like they have camouflage on. I'm doing it fast, but that's okay.